Here's a 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have this upper level feature that's still over the area. It's slowly going to be moving off to our east. We could see a little bit of sunshine in our western counties, but it'll be mainly in the afternoon and toward sunset, in fact, while shower activity will likely be ongoing for most of the day, if not all day, off and on, over the eastern half of the state. Highs today will be in the 60s across the state. As we go into Friday, though, the system moves off. Sunshine reappears. Temperatures still remain mainly in the 60s for most of the state. Maybe a 70-degree temperature farther into our western counties. We'll see a lot more 70s as we head into the weekend, though, here on Saturday. As winds turn around out of the south and southwest. This will be ahead of the next storm system that'll be coming through the Plain States. That'll be coming in Saturday night into Sunday, with a little bit of activity, maybe a shower or thunderstorm. We'll have to see if there's any development, especially Sunday afternoon, where there could be some decent rainfall amounts. Amounts of about 1/4 to 1/2 inch, but any thunderstorm activity could raise those levels up toward the 1-inch level. Monday, we'll have maybe a shower around. Don't count on it being all-day rain or all over the place. It'll be fairly isolated and scattered, and then that moves off. And Tuesday looks to be partially sunny, with readings in the 50s and lower 60s, but clouds will be on the increase with the next storm coming in by the middle of the week here on Wednesday, and that looks to bring some more precipitation to the state, as we're getting into somewhat of an active period at this point. Readings looking like they'll be mainly in the 60s. Thursday, we'll have to see. This will be a day where we'll see probably a lot of clouds, maybe an isolated shower. Can't really rule it out. Most of the heaviest precipitation looks to be south of the state. It looks to stay that way even into next Friday, as well as the system kind of just stays south of the state, but that's also going to keep quite a bit of clouds around here as well, and that means temperatures could be held down as we look toward the end of next week. And then the system we're going to have to watch for the next weekend, not this coming weekend, the following weekend, as the system is going to be coming out of the plains and into the Mississippi River Valley, and this is a setup that could be something we're going to have to watch. This is still about 10 days out. This is next Saturday. But it's something we'll continue to monitor as we get closer, because this could be a system of some significance. Satellite image from last evening, we had a batch of cloudiness just to the east of the Mississippi River. Upper level feature is slowly moving through the state at this point. A couple of thunderstorms over the Texas Panhandle, and some thunderstorms as well across the Gulf Coast and even across the Northwest as well. Watch warning map was fairly quiet. A severe thunderstorm watch over in the southern high plains. Some flash flood watches continuing over the piney woods of East Texas into Louisiana. Fairly quiet elsewhere outside of a frost advisory up in New England and into the mid-Atlantic. Rainfall amounts next 5 days, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Maybe some heavier amounts due to the activity we may see on Sunday, but no real big heavy amounts elsewhere across the country.